How to find music notifications settings on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find music notifications settings on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and here you will find preferences, and then you will see notifications. Click notifications, and as you see here you will find music music notification settings, and you can manage here anything you want, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.